What if artificial intelligence could predict the next 100x crypto gem before the rest of the world even notices? This isn't science fiction. AI and blockchain are merging faster than most people realize, and the coins leading the charge are already shaking up trillion-dollar industries. Today, I'm revealing 5 of the most powerful AI-driven crypto projects that are doing more than just riding the hype. They're building the infrastructure for an entirely new economy, and the one in the top spot? It already has over 100,000 active nodes and is quietly fueling the future of the metaverse and machine intelligence. Let's get into it. At number 5 is Numerai, a decentralized hedge fund that rewards anonymous data scientists for submitting encrypted AI models to predict the stock market. Think of it as a massive, crowdsourced brain powered by machine learning, where better predictions directly earn you tokens. Launched in 2017, Numerai has paid out millions in Numerai rewards and currently holds over $17 million staked by its global network of quants. Its innovative structure combines privacy, data science, and blockchain in a way that traditional hedge funds can't touch. The project has backing from Coinbase Ventures and Paradigm, and it pays contributors weekly based on the real-world accuracy of their AI models. It's Wall Street, reimagined by algorithms, and anyone can contribute. Imagine being paid just to let your AI compete. Number 4 is SingularityNET, the project built by the team behind Sophia the Robot. Yes, that famous humanoid AI, but the real story is bigger. SingularityNET is creating a decentralized marketplace for AI services where anyone can deploy, monetize, or combine AI models. From image recognition to language translation, AI tools can be accessed or offered on the platform using the SingularityNET token. This means AI can evolve organically, with services buying, selling, and learning from each other across borders without centralized control. SingularityNET currently has over 70 live AI services on its network, and its partnerships include Hanson Robotics, Ocean Protocol, and even collaborations with Cardano to enable advanced smart contract integration. SingularityNET is the fuel of a future where AI is open source, borderless, and self-improving. And as AI governance becomes a growing concern, decentralized solutions like this could play a major role. Coming in at number 3 is Fetch.ai, a project you'll hear more about as cities and devices get smarter. Fetch is building a decentralized machine-to-machine economy where autonomous agents, essentially tiny AI-powered programs, can trade data, negotiate services, and optimize systems without human input. Right now, Fetch is powering real-world applications like energy grid optimization with Bosch, smart parking and transport services in the UK, and supply chain improvements with Deutsche Telekom. It's not theory, it's working tech. With over 40,000 autonomous agents already active and a market cap pushing $2 billion, Fetch is quickly becoming the lifeblood of a world where machines not only talk to each other, but make economic decisions in real time. This isn't just a coin, it's the connective tissue of tomorrow's smart infrastructure. In second place is Ocean Protocol, the blockchain project turning data into a liquid digital asset and making it AI-ready. Ocean enables individuals and organizations to publish, sell, and share datasets while maintaining control over who uses them. This is critical in a world where AI models are only as good as the data they're trained on. Ocean makes that data accessible, secure, and decentralized. It's already seeing adoption in sectors like healthcare, mobility, and climate science, and its partnerships with Mercedes-Benz, Gaia X, and the European Commission show just how serious the use case is. To date, Ocean's decentralized data marketplace has powered over $450 million in transactions. And because data providers retain ownership and earn income every time their data is used, Ocean is pioneering a data economy that's sustainable, ethical, and profitable. Would you let your data be used to train AI if you got paid for it? That's the question Ocean is making real. And at number 1 is Render Network, the backbone of the future's visual and AI-powered web. Render turns unused GPU power into a decentralized cloud, perfect for rendering high-end 3D graphics, AI models, and immersive metaverse assets. In other words, it's Airbnb for graphics cards. With over 110,000 active nodes and users ranging from indie developers to high-profile artists like Beeple, Render is fueling a creative and computational explosion. The network supports platforms like Apple Vision Pro, Unity, and Unreal Engine, and it's already integrated into production workflows in Hollywood and beyond. But here's the kicker. Render's co-founder Jules Urbach built the rendering technology used in films like Avatar, Iron Man, and The Matrix. That same tech is now being democratized, and Render is what makes it all work. As AI models continue to grow in size and demand insane GPU resources, Render could quietly become the go-to infrastructure for anyone building the future. These 5 AI-powered crypto projects are not about trends, they're infrastructure. They're building roads, rails, and fuel for a world run on intelligent machines and decentralized computation. While everyone else is focused on price charts, these ecosystems are quietly shaping the real Web3 economy. The earlier you understand them, the better positioned you'll be when adoption catches fire. So if your brain just got upgraded, smash that like button. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the curve, not behind it. And don't miss what's coming next. I'll be showing you how to use AI tools to uncover undervalued crypto projects before they explode. Trust me, you won't want to miss that one. Enable notifications because YouTube's not always going to tell you when the future drops.